Are you craving a home that feels dark, luxurious, and dripping with romantic vibes? Maybe you love moody spaces, but you still want a touch of softness, a space that feels cozy, mysterious, and totally irresistible? Well, today we're diving into the 10 best romantic color combinations to turn your dark and moody home into the ultimate love letter to gothic elegance. Watch to the end, because number 7 on this list might surprise you. It's a color pairing most people avoid, but when done right, it's pure dark romance perfection. Let's kick things off with a classic romantic contrast: deep plum paired with soft blush. Deep plum brings that rich, sultry drama your moody home craves, while soft blush adds a whisper of warmth and softness, like a rose petal in the shadows. This combo is perfect for a bedroom, a cozy reading nook, or even your living room walls if you want that bold yet inviting feel. Imagine dark plum velvet curtains with blush-toned pillows, or plum-painted walls with delicate blush artwork. It's bold, romantic, but never overwhelming. Gold accents, aged brass, or vintage mirrors really shine with this combo, adding that extra layer of drama and timeless elegance. If you've ever dreamed of your home feeling like a moonlit love story, midnight blue and dusty rose is your match made in heaven. Midnight blue gives you that deep, mysterious foundation. It feels like the sky just after twilight, calm yet dramatic. Then you layer in dusty rose, which softens the space with a romantic, vintage touch, like faded flowers in an old poetry book. Together, they create a space that feels timeless and intimate, perfect for bedrooms, cozy corners, or even your dining room for moody dinner parties. Add brass candle holders, velvet throw blankets, or marble textures to make this combo truly shine. Now, if you're the type who loves your dark tones but still wants that hint of rich, seductive color, you'll be obsessed with charcoal gray and mulberry. Charcoal gray brings depth, grounding the space with a stormy, almost industrial vibe that feels modern and moody. But pair it with mulberry, a deep, romantic berry tone, and suddenly your space feels like an old-world manor with a passionate twist. This combo works beautifully for accent walls, plush furniture, or even layered textiles like velvet cushions or a dramatic rug. To elevate the look, add black metal details, crystal chandeliers, or dark wood furniture for that extra dose of gothic romance. If you want your home to feel like a secret garden at midnight, forest green and antique gold is the ultimate romantic pairing. Forest green brings that deep, earthy richness. It's grounding, dramatic, and gives off major enchanted forest energy. But when you add an antique gold accents, suddenly, the whole space feels luxurious, warm, and a little bit magical, like candlelight flickering through the trees. This combination is stunning for entryways, cozy living rooms, or even a bold kitchen space if you're feeling daring. Picture deep green walls, antique gold light fixtures, aged mirrors, and dark wood furniture. It's moody, romantic, and just the right amount of old-world charm. Nothing says bold, seductive, and unapologetically romantic like the classic combo of black and deep burgundy. Black sets the stage, it's dramatic, sleek, and brings instant depth to any room. Then deep burgundy steps in, adding this rich, wine-soaked vibe that feels luxurious, passionate, and just a little mysterious, like velvet curtains in a candlelit mansion. Together, these colors create the perfect backdrop for moody bedrooms, dining spaces, or even a bold hallway moment. Think matte black walls, burgundy velvet chairs, dark floral arrangements, and brass candle holders for that extra gothic touch. It's dark romance at its finest. If you love your spaces moody but still crave that soft, romantic edge, you have to try Stormy teal and soft mauve. Stormy teal gives this deep, moody ocean vibe. It's bold, a little unexpected, and brings a ton of character without overpowering your space. Pair that with soft mauve, and suddenly your room feels like a dreamy, rain-soaked love story, moody, but still tender and inviting. This color combo works beautifully in bedrooms, bathrooms, or cozy living spaces where you want both depth and softness. Layer in silver accents, smoky glass decor, or even distressed wood pieces to complete the look. It's like a moody romance novel brought to life. If you want a space that feels like a cozy, candlelit library or an old-world lounge, you cannot go wrong with maroon and chocolate brown. Maroon brings that deep, romantic red tone, bold, passionate, but with a refined, vintage feel, like aged velvet or a glass of rich red wine. Pair it with chocolate brown, and suddenly your space feels grounded, warm, and irresistibly cozy, like sinking into a worn leather chair with a good book. This combo works beautifully in living rooms, home offices, or even bold dining spaces. Think maroon throw blankets, chocolate brown furniture, dark wood accents, and low, warm lighting. It's the perfect balance of drama, romance, and timeless comfort. If you want your space to feel like a modern Gothic fairy tale with just the right touch of romance, you have to try Onyx and Silver. Onyx brings that rich, deep drama, it's bold, timeless, and instantly elevates the mood of any space. Pair that with shimmering silver, and suddenly the whole room feels elegant, polished, and a little mysterious, like moonlight reflecting off dark waters. This combo is absolutely perfect for bedrooms, glam living rooms, or even a dramatic dining space. Picture matte onyx walls, silver-framed mirrors, metallic accents, soft candlelight, and maybe even a little sparkle from crystal details. It's dark, romantic, and endlessly chic. If you want your space to feel like a dark, enchanted escape with a romantic twist, you have to try Deep Emerald and Rich Aubergine. Deep Emerald brings that lush, jewel-toned drama, bold, earthy, and sophisticated, like the walls of an old-world manor covered in velvet drapes. Pair it with Rich Aubergine, and suddenly your space feels mysterious, regal, and dripping with Gothic romance. The deep purple tones create a luxurious depth that feels both bold and intimate. This color combo is stunning for statement walls, moody lounges, or even layered fabrics like velvet cushions and rich bedding. Complete the look with gold accents, dark wood details, and low, ambient lighting. It's rich, seductive, and completely unforgettable. If you want your home to feel soft, romantic, but still unapologetically moody, Mauve and Black is a match made in Gothic heaven. Mauve brings this gentle, dusty pink-purple tone. It's delicate, vintage-inspired, and adds a soft, romantic layer without feeling overly sweet. Pair that with Black, and suddenly your space feels grounded, bold, and full of depth. The softness of Mauve meets the drama of Black, creating the ultimate cozy, romantic tension. This combo works beautifully in bedrooms, intimate living spaces, or even entryways for a welcoming yet mysterious vibe. Picture mauve velvet cushions or curtains, black furniture, gold accents, and soft, warm lighting. It's romantic, refined, and totally dark and dreamy. So there you have it. 10 of the best romantic color combinations to bring that moody, dramatic vibe into your home while keeping it cozy and irresistible. Which combo was your favorite? Or maybe you have your own dark and romantic color pairing I need to know about. Drop it in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas. And don't forget, if you're ready to start transforming your space, check out the links in the description for more dark and moody home inspiration, color guides, and all my favorite decor finds. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my moody home decor tips, and stick around, because next week, I'm sharing my favorite ways to style dark walls without making your space feel small. You're not going to want to miss it.